Hi, this is Laurie Sherrod with Clemson University CCIT's Teaching and Learning. Today what I'd like to show you how to do is create a horizontal navigation bar on a Google site. Until fairly recently, the only option on Google sites was a vertical or sidebar navigation, and that's what I have on this site that we have up right now. And you'll notice I do have a subpage. One relatively new option is if you have subpages, you'll get a little triangle which allows you to collapse or expand that subpage. Now, if you use a horizontal navigation bar instead, on the horizontal navigation bar, if you have a subpage, you can click on the item or hover over the item and see a drop down. So let's get started and create that horizontal navigation bar. We'll start by clicking Edit Sidebar. And here's our current navigation. Let's just take a look at that real quick. And you'll remember that you add the pages with the little blue add page, and you'll see that family that is the sub page to photos, and that was moved over with the little gray arrow. But I'm going to cancel that. And to get the horizontal bar, you'll click on Change Site Layout, and there is the horizontal navigation bar option. We'll put a check mark in that and click OK. It adds a new item here, and if we click on Edit Content, just like with the other, you can click Add Page. It'll show all of your pages. I'm going to go ahead and add my home page and say OK. And there's my one page. If I want to add a second page, I'll click Add Page again. This time I'm going to add my photos page and click OK. And there it is. Now I'm going to add another page. This time I'm going to click the little plus beside photos, which indicates it has a sub page. And I'm going to grab those family photos and click OK. Finally, I am going to add that welcome page, right there it is, and click OK. Now, there are a couple of things I'd like to do. I would like the welcome page to appear after home. So with it selected, I'm going to press this up arrow. And then I'd like those family photos to be a drop down in your photos, so I'm going to use the indent arrow right there. I'm finished with that. So now I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I would like a sitemap link, and there are three styles. They all three look very nice, but I'm going to pick the tab style and say OK. I'm finished with my horizontal bar. By the way, if I wanted to delete my vertical bar, I could delete it right there, or I might use it for complementary or different links. I'm going to save changes and return to site. Now that I'm back at the site, I see my new horizontal navigation. I can click on any one of these links, and if I hover over the photos, I'll see that sub page for family. So this is a really nice way to organize your site and have it have the look of horizontal navigation instead of just the vertical navigation.